guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are continuing with the plumbing. So we're gonna see how it's going to end up. Yeah, because we did not finish on the last one, but we are yet to finish. So as you can see here, the plumber is piping a tap. That tap I intended to be what we call it, that Dobby sink. Yeah, the outdoor Dobby sink, so that when you come with the muddy shoes, you want to wipe shoes, you clean them and then you get in. So there will not be there won't be a lot of work when you're cleaning shoes now. Guys, we finally have water in the house. As you can see, the pressure is fine. Yeah, because water with no pressure, it can be stressing. So we were testing the circulation and if the pressure is okay. And I'm happy that the tanks from where I have placed them, they have enough pressure for the water circulation in the house. So this is the kitchen area. Then this is the bathroom. Yeah, it's still okay. I've not opened we did not switch on the water because it was hitting the walls. Yeah, but the circulation is fine. As you can see, these are the sink areas. You can see there is water. So we're going to leave the water on those pipes for like few days before we plaster the walls and see if there is any leakages. But according to what I have heard, the Danko pipe is one of the best in the market. So it's very hard to, anything can happen, but it's very hard to find some that are leaking. It's not 100%, but at least they say that it's the best. So guys, here I had some correction. I was so angry, I was stressed, I couldn't even stand to take any picture to show you how disappointed I was. But I can tell you, building is not easy. We removed that canopy, that balcony slab. We dug it, all of it. We demolished it. Yeah, and we did it afresh, so hoping it's going to turn out well. So there is the tank. The parapet is almost done, but we left that end there so that it will help with the bringing materials up when we are plastering the parapet and the floor on top. But I'm yet to decide. Maybe we can complete it and they use that part, the part that I've left there. So these are materials. This is our small store. Yeah, so materials, you have to check them before you leave, and in the morning when you come, because this can be hot cake. You might be missing some things. So the lorry is here, the sand, and now we are ready to plaster. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So I heard this is the finest they could get because it's not rainy. So sun comes with rain. So if there's no rain, you don't get that very fine finishing sand, which is preferred. But still, this is okay. Not that bad. It doesn't have a lot of rocks. Yeah, we will manage with this because we can't find the fine kabisa, the one that the fundis like, but still this one is okay. So we are doing the plaster today. As you can all see, we are starting with the ceiling plaster. Yes, I don't intend to do gypsum as of yet. So I'll do the plaster and maybe later in future, because building can be step by step. You don't strain yourself, you can just do something and then you do the rest later, because it will still happen but not now. The money is not moneying you know, but at least you can make your house livable. And so this is the outcome. Yeah, this is how it's looking. I did not do the rough one because I intend to do maybe gypsum later in life. So I just needed something that is not going to consume a lot of skimming. So I did Nilo, and we are going just to apply the old way, applying what we call, we're just going cover mat and silk paint. Then maybe in future we are going to do gypsum, maybe not, but let's see how it turns out. So here we are clearing the soil from that side and adding to that part there where I plan to do my grass, my pemba grass. The other side is doing okay. Now I think pemba is good for me and it's not hard to grow. So, and it is not allowing a lot of weeds. So that one is what I'm going to do. So I'm adding that soil over there to start the planting. About the ceiling, this now is the sitting room area, is the last one, and for this one you are going to do the rough, because the kitchen and the sitting room, that one we will do gypsum, so no need for the smooth Nilo. So we're just going to do a rough plaster on top here so that we can later install gypsum. Guys, we have a new member in the family. We have a cat. Yeah, she's Trudy. Yeah, we named her Trudy. Hey, that name. Yeah, so I brought a cat. I wanted to get used to be living here, because in the village you need pets, not just for petting, but they have their use, like rats, snakes. These cats are very useful in the village because of the bushes. They clear those kind of uh, rodents and reptiles. They chase them away. So where we are going to have her now, and Nina is jealous. Nina. Look at her. Look at that. Oh, she's jealous. Yeah, she's also afraid of the dogs, but I believe they are going to get along very soon. Yeah, and they will be playing like she's hiding. They are all dogs or they are all cats. Nina is eagerly waiting for her to leave my shoulder so Nina, that she can just pounce on her. Coco is there. Yeah, we tie him down because he's very aggressive, so we need to be very careful with him. So this is how the soil is going, and we will be moving it to that point I showed you guys, and we see how it's going to turn out. I think that part also I'll be doing my outdoor kitchen maybe later, but not now. Yeah, I plan it to have an outdoor kitchen on that side where the soil is being removed. Yeah, so we will see. So stick around, guys, and we see how we're going to make this home, you know. So it's not that I'll be moving in when it's fully 100% complete, but at least 70% when it's done, I'll be moving in. I can't pay rent when I have done 70%. No, it's not allowed. So guys, stick around, or watch me, follow me, subscribe, share with friends. Yeah, and ask any question. You can inbox me, ask me any question, and I'll be very, very happy to answer. To those ones who are afraid to start building, there won't come a time that it will be easy. Building is hard, but you have to start with one step. So guys, thank you so much for always coming back. I'm so grateful, and thank you for following me all the time and liking. I appreciate. So let's get to 500 subscription. Guys, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I want us to grow together. So let's start from here, from building to where we'll be heading to, and many more. So thank you so much for always coming back, and thank you for stopping by, taking your time to watch my vlog. I'm happy and I'm looking forward to be your host on these vlogs all the time. So I'm still learning how to do vlogs, so if it's not clear, guys, bear with me. I'm going to improve daily by daily, so just stick around, and I hope that we are going to grow together. Enjoy. Thank you for watching, guys. Until the next one, Bye bye.